Today we're going to discuss the latest low down payment jumbo loan options. Homebuyers that have questions can call us at 1-800-840-6449 or simply visit jumboloancenter.com. First and foremost, we'll focus on the 95% jumbo financing options. This is a very popular program, and it is available for eligible homebuyers in all 50 states. This program does require a minimum credit score of a 700 to be eligible. It applies to only primary single-family homes, townhomes, and select condominiums. Again, all primary residences owner-occupied homes. There are options for financing second homes and investment properties, but those do require a greater down payment. Generally, second homes require a minimum of 10% down payment, and investment properties, the financing starts at a 25 to 30% down payment, depending on the loan amount. Again, single-family townhomes and select condos. This also does not apply to building a new home on your own lot, construction or permanent financing. That is not permitted. However, buying a new home directly from a home builder, like a spec home, that is considered just a normal single-family home like any other. All the programs do require full income and asset documentation. For self-employed home buyers, that means a minimum of 2 years of income tax returns that will be needed. The programs also require mortgage payment reserves. This is liquid or non-liquid assets that remain after the home buyer makes their required down payment and pays the closing costs. There are reserve requirements with most jumbo loan programs, meaning the home buyer has to have, again, a certain amount of payment reserves, months of payment reserves after the down payment's made. That amount can vary depending on many variables like the loan amount, the property state, and the down payment. For the 95% program, the jumbo payment reserves can be 0 to 6 months, again, depending on those things that we had mentioned. This applies to both purchase and rate and term refinances. Just an interest rate reduction refinance. Maybe certain home buyers like to change an adjustable rate mortgage into a fixed rate loan. That can also be done up to 95% loan to value. This does not apply to a cash out refinance. For home buyers that want to cash out equity, maybe for a home improvement project, those programs are going to be limited to 85% loan to value. This is for both a fixed rate, 15-year, 30-year fixed rate terms, and also all the adjustable rate terms are available, 5-year ARMs, 7-year ARMs, 10-year ARMs. No monthly mortgage insurance is required, or PMI. There are a few different ways to structure the different jumbo loan programs, and again, we're just going to focus on really the low down payment jumbo solutions, 95% financing and 90% financing. One of the most common ways to structure the program is through a combination of 2 loans, which is commonly referred to as a combo loan or a piggyback loan. That is basically where the homeowner will finance for the first mortgage the maximum loan amount conforming loan limit for their county. In most parts of the United States, the current conforming loan limit is $424,100. Anything that exceeds that is considered a jumbo loan. There are a few high-cost areas in California, Florida, Virginia, and other select high-cost areas that do allow their conforming loan limits up to $636,000. However, for homeowners that are looking for loans, and again, where the conforming loan limit is capped at $424,100, those first mortgages are generally at that maximum conforming loan limit, and then the second mortgage, or the smaller piggyback loan, makes up the difference up to the sales price. And of course, the buyer is required to put in their 5% for the 95%, and then for 10% down payment for the 90% option. But there are a couple of different ways to structure, and there are advantages to doing it this way. Probably the biggest advantage is that the conventional or conforming loan interest rates are typically a lot less than when compared to a jumbo loan. And then also, of course, it's a great way for those home buyers that are not putting down 20% down payment. It's a great way for them to avoid PMI, or private mortgage insurance. It's by separating and doing a combo loan. Now, there are single straight 95% and 90% financing options with just one loan that also do not require PMI. What option will be best for you will depend on a variety of factors, like the property state, the loan amount, and the down payment, credit score. There are many factors involved there. But there are some pros and cons with each option, and your trained loan specialist will certainly review both options and see what is financially the best option for you. We're going to talk a little bit about the jumbo loan amount and loan to value overview. For the 95% jumbo loan, the loan amounts are capped to $999,000. This is important to remember. 700 credit scores required, again, full income and asset documentation, no mortgage insurance, and there is a single loan and combo 80-15 loans available. Up to 90% financing is available for up to $2.45 million for eligible home buyers, and then 85% financing for loan amounts over $2.45. The higher loan amounts, generally once you exceed $1.5 million, most of those programs will require a 720 credit score and greater payment reserves that we talked about earlier. Depending on the loan amount, sometimes it can require up to 18, even 24 months payment reserves for high loan amounts that exceed $2.5 million. There are many more jumbo mortgage options available, again, for vacation homes or second homes and investment properties. But everything listed above applies strictly to primary owner-occupied homes. Again, the vacation homes and second homes generally require 5% extra down payment. However, the credit requirements and loan amount caps are generally the same. Home buyers that have questions can contact us anytime. We're again happy to assist home buyers nationwide. We can be reached at 1-800-840-6449, and please be sure to visit jumboloancenter.com. On our website, we have all the latest requirements along with our weekly blog and many, many, many pages of helpful information there. Please contact us again if you have any questions. Thank you for listening.